my channel. My name is Yemi Adriana if you're new, and in today's video I will be showing you how I got this hair color on this curly hair. I don't know if you can really see, but I'm giving chocolates, I'm giving some black, and I'm giving some golden and some blonde. It's actually 7 o'clock and I did my hair at like 12 o'clock, so this is 7 hours later. So we're still looking good and voluptuous and shiny. Yeah, this is just very much chocolate vibes, perfect for the fall, perfect for the spring, perfect for the winter, perfect for whatever you want it to be. And this is just really cute, a nice easy way to add some push, some oomph, there we go, some oomph to your curly hair. So if you're interested in how I got this, then stay tuned and I will see you guys later. Start off with, I will be using Excellence High Color L'Oreal browns for dark hair only, and I'm going to be using the color soft brown, and it's in the number H3. I don't know if you can see the color soft brown and the number H3. So I'm going to be using 2 boxes of this. In some sections you see I have it cut off already. I'm actually going to be using bleach. But to start off with, I have, okay, this head is going to irritate me because it's so wobbly. But anyways, to start off with, I have this bottom section braided up. In this section, I'm going to leave its natural color. So this is going to be like a dark, it's not necessarily black because the natural hair is already kind of like brown. But I'm going to leave this to be the dark section. So that's already braided off. And then I have the closure pinned up here because I'm going to do this first. And I'm gonna do like some customization up here, so I just have that pinned off so I know exactly what to do. And then right here, if you can see, I have a tiny braid because this is the main part that I'm gonna be bleaching. So I have this separated, I have this and its own little thing for customization, and then I have this main portion. So to start off with, you're going to pour your color into your mixing bowl, and then to open this, there's like a little seal, so you just have to take the top and just do that, and then it's gonna pop it open. I'm gonna go ahead and just put both of the boxes in there now because I already know I'm gonna end up using a second one, and I don't want to have to open it when my hands are all dirty. If you look at my nails and you be like, girl, what's wrong with her nails? Just know I'm getting my nails done after this, and I wanted to color my hair before I get my nails done because if they mess up, I'm gonna cry. Okay, so now that we have both of the colors in the bowl like this, the box says use a, it says use a 30 volume developer, but I have 40 and I have 20, so we're gonna do half and half. I'm gonna use majority of 20 though. You're just gonna pour this in there. There's a certain measurement rule that you're supposed to use, but you know how that goes. If you want to use it, if you feel safer using it, then go ahead, but I'm not going to. Just gonna give that a good stir. And then as you can kind of see, well, you probably can't. Well, okay. Well, anyways, it's kind of clumpy right now, and you want to make sure it's as smooth and creamy as you can get it. All right, now I'm about to put my gloves on. I got these from Dollar Tree, girl. 8 pair in here for $1. And since my nails ain't done yet, you don't have to double up gloves, but if my nails were done, then I would definitely double up. But since they're not, I don't have to worry too much about it. So let's get started. I don't know, I think I want to work on the closure first, just so I can know that, yeah, we're gonna work on the closure first. So like I said, this part is left out, and that is because I'm going to be bleaching it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh wait, I forgot to get the foil. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick and choose some sections. Literally it's just gonna be super random. Wait, is this how I want to do this? No, this is not how I want to do this. Anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the bottom. And since this is curly hair, and since it is kind of nappy, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle as I go. I'm not telling you where this hair is from because it's horrible, and it's from a family friend, so we're just gonna not tell the information. go ahead. Oh shoot. Oh, and I want to keep my roots black, so yeah, good thing to remember. I'm keeping all of my roots black. And I like to do my closure and my frontal first because, girl, what if you run out of product? You don't want to run out of product when you're at the top. So now we have the closure done. I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into this big old section, this big old middle section. I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. And I'm just gonna do portions like this because it's all getting dyed. And really the customization and the highlights come in at the end when I'm doing the bleach. But since bleach process is real quick, way quicker, we're gonna do this first. We're gonna let it sit for a good minute. Okay, so I went ahead and I let the hair air dry. And now I am back. It's a few hours later. I went and got my nails done. And well, if you don't remember, this is where the braid was. So now that the chocolate is all air dried, I can kind of see where I want the blonde to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bleach on this part first because this is where I want it to be the brightest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this whole pack of bleach in here. And then I'm going to be using my 40 volume developer bleach. Strictly 40. Okay, so I have the top part bleached, and then I'm kind of just going to take random pieces. Just a bunch of random pieces and bleach it. All right guys, so that is how I got this hair color. If you are interested, I will leave all the information down below. If you like these type of videos, then just leave me a nice comment and a thumbs up, and I will continue making them. If you haven't already checked out my red watercolor method video, that will be linked below as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Mwah.